Hi everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. I'm working on a customer's chainsaw. It's a partner, it's 38 years old, it's a Jubilee year of the partner chainsaws. And I fixed two other on it. I just want to show you how good these vintage saws run. This one has no safety features to speak of, so I'll be very careful starting it, but just watch how good it cuts. Not bad for a 38-year-old chainsaw to cut firewood with. Check out that falling spike. Very common on this model. If you got any questions on chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.